Why does your body suddenly go, hic? And why can't you easily stop it? A hiccup happens when your diaphragm, the muscle that helps you breathe, suddenly contracts involuntarily. That sudden contraction causes you to quickly breathe in. Then, the opening between your vocal cords closes quickly, creating the famous hic sound. Things like eating too quickly, fizzy drinks, laughing, or sudden changes can trigger hiccups. But scientists still don't have one definite explanation for why hiccups exist. So, when was your last hiccup? Comment below.